How to renew Railcard. First of all, you will need to go to your phone's app store, so Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on the iOS devices like my iPhone here. Make sure the app's updated, then click on Open on the Railcard app. Then click on Renew Railcard, it should be in the middle of the screen. Then it's going to take you to the website where you need to just log in with your email and password. Once you've done that, it should come over to this web page right here where you'll be able to click on Renew Railcard, where your railcard currently is. If you want to renew your current railcard, so for me it's 16 to 25, you just need to go through and do it on this link. Or if you want to go to the older railcard or just a different one, you need to click on the exclamation mark at the top right hand corner next to the little profile icon. As so, then you'll want to go ahead and click on delete, and then you want to say yes because you want to transfer the railcard to a different one. So for me it's a 26 to 30 railcard now, so I'm gonna have to click on that. Then through there you want to scroll down again, then you want to say that you want the digital version, also if you have any codes etc, and then click on this railcard is for me, or if it's not, of course you can click the railcard is for somebody else. Then you want to click on the tick box where I have already accepted, click continue, then continue again. It's going to ask you for your details, so I went ahead and put in all my details. Of course I'm not going to show that on screen, things like your address, potentially your passport or your driving license, all those types of private details. Once you put all that in, you've got to upload a picture as well. Once you've done all that, eventually you'll be able to get to this screen here where your order will have been successful after you put in your card details etc to pay. Once you see the screen where it says confirmation orders was successful, that's when you're done. So leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.